I'm John Parrish. I'm a research technologist for Project Sense. I got my bachelor's at the University of Nebraska in agronomy. I graduated in 2011, and I'm working on my master's of agronomy now, and I should graduate either this spring or in the summer. I'm from Sterling, Nebraska, the southeast corner of the state. My family is a farming family. They own a few acres down there, and that's kind of how I got my interest in agriculture. I helped that a lot growing up. As a kid, I didn't spend a lot of time inside. We were always outside, either helping with the irrigation, helping planting, and all sorts of that. So that really, I guess, sparked my interest in the agriculture part. Just being outside and being able to get out there and watch things grow and progress throughout the season, and then at the end of the year you get to see what you made by harvesting it and taking it to the co-op. So I mean, it always enjoyed that, and I know it always kind of led me to do what I'm doing now and be a part of it yet. Project Sense, first off, it stands for Sensors for Efficient Nitrogen Use and Stewardship of the Environment. Basically, it's using crop canopy sensors that are commercially available to go out and direct a nitrogen application in accordance to what the crop color is telling us. And then really we're just testing it against those sensors against what a farmer's normal management of nitrogen would be, and seeing what the results are and how it performs in Nebraska. The goals really of this project are to basically get this equipment and technology out there and show the growers, you have a tool here that can help you do your job better, per se. Again, we're not saying it's the answer to everything, we're saying it's a tool to help. The importance of this project is really to reduce the amount of nitrogen you apply, but yet produce a crop that will allow the grower to continue doing what he's doing. So really it's about an environmental factor and showing the growers that they can still do what they want to with less nitrogen and a better management scheme. Project Sense benefits farmers by reducing the amount of nitrogen that they apply. They generally, we still see a steady yield across treatments. So really we're not losing yield, but we're reducing your input cost. So in the end, they're getting more money back for what they produce than if they would their standard process. Project Sense can benefit the environment by reducing the amount of nitrogen we apply. This will reduce the amount of nitrogen that's left in a cropping system, which will reduce the potential for loss. So in the long run, we're hoping that it would actually reduce the nitrates in the water and reduce the potential for loss of nitrates to the groundwater as well. The Nebraska Corn Board has helped fund the project, so it's made it possible to do what we do. It's helped us get our supplies and everything to get out there and meet with these farmers and show them what this technology can do. I'm passionate about my work because I've been in it my entire life. I really enjoy agriculture, and I really enjoy being able to help it progress. Using these sensors is something the sensors have been around, but the concept of them and using them is kind of new to people yet. They still don't quite understand them. So it's neat to be able to get out there and see that and then interact with the growers and show them what's available to them.